And on behalf of the National Assembly for Wales, I'm very pleased to welcome the Royal British Legion who are joining us in remembering those who gave their lives for our freedom.
The application of violence for political ends. That is what we ask the men and women of our armed forces to do. To go to dangerous places, to fight or to save lives on our behalf. War is nasty, it is bloody, it is frightening. It is an endeavour which inflicts physical and mental trauma on those who prosecute it in our name. As Siegfried Sassoon wrote, "There's things in war one dare not tell poor father sitting safely at home." It is also an endeavour from which many have never returned. That is why we remember each year and why we also hope for a more peaceful future. So as we gather for our 2-minute silence on behalf of the Royal British Legion and the Armed Forces family in Wales, thank you for the support you provide us and them and the recognition you give today. Thank you also for the work done in this place to safeguard under the nation's covenant the memory of the fallen and the future of the living. Thank you.
Ni hynaeddiant fel hynaeddion ni sy ar ôl. Ni lethyr hwy gan oed na llochfan y blynyddoedd. A fachlid hael ac yn y bore, fe cofion hwy.
They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
We will remember them.
Epitaph Cohima. Pan uwch tua thre, dwedwch ein hanes ni, dros eich y fori, roesom ein heddiw ni.
When you go home, tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow we gave our today.